Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello Mr. Clap. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to do another episode of Brides and Braids. I'm excited to do this next style because once again it's something I've never done before. But we're gonna work it out. I did my own braids. Quarantine is causing me to act completely out of character. I don't like doing my own hair. I'm bougie in that way. I would much rather pay somebody else to make me cuter. But I sucked it up and did my own knotless braids so I can flip and dip them whichever way that I like. Yeah, Brian, look at these. These look good. Come on now. They neat all the way down. Continuous neatness. That's important in braids. I don't know what be going on. And some people say is that they want to get sloppy, like, you know, midway through the braid, but that's not how it's supposed to go. So, yeah, Brides and Braids, part 2. Hope you're ready for this. It's going to be amazing, guys. Per usual.
Kone. Hey, Kone.
I see you, Kone.
Go crazy, Kone.
Come through, Kone.
Well, today our bride to be, her name is Sharice. Sharice is all natural, as you can see. She gets regular trims, minimum heat to the hair, you know, protective styling. You know, she is a model client. You guys need to get like Sharice and stop. Okay, so boom, we're gonna start off by putting the hair into 4 sections. This is gonna be a mohawk type of ordeal. This is also a style more so for the edgy brides, the ones who aren't afraid to step outside the box and do something different, and that will make a statement. So cool, we in there. 4 sections parted off. We're gonna start off on the right side. I'm gonna section off that piece for the curls. And I'm gonna take my shining gem and proceed to do a butterfly braid. For butterfly braids, I like to pull as I go because it's way easier than doing the entire French braid and then going back in and trying to pull that hair out. Nah, we're not doing that over here, son.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hey, we got ourselves a butterfly braid. Look at them wings, honey. So my homegirl Sharice does not like heat on her hair, so we're gonna make a curl the old-fashioned way with some holding spray. And along with that, we're gonna use a flexi rod, you know. Amazon be lying sometimes. They said this was 100% human hair. That flat iron said something different. So flexi rod it is.
Purchase your tracks today.
So now that we have our spiral curls and butterfly braids popping, I'm going to carve out 2 little sections for 2 accent braids because that's just something I like to do. So now in the middle, I'm going to do a pull through braid, which requires me to part off the hair into 5 sections.
Purchase your tracks today.
So now starting to pull through braid, I'm going to take some braiding hair and attach it to the first and the second ponytail. Now I'm going to take the second ponytail and split it into 2 sections and take the first ponytail and just pull it back in between those sections. Now I'm going to take that first section that I just pulled back and attach it to the third section. The second ponytail that I split into 2 sections, I'm now going to rubber band them off and make them one again. Following that, I'm going to take that third section and split it into 2, and I'm just going to repeat these steps all the way down. Now that I've gotten to the end, I'm going to take my last section and make it a butterfly braid, and I'm going to tuck it under. Okay, so like I said before, this style is more so for people who are edgy and don't mind taking that risk and have a, a bit of a fashion sense unlike others. So for the brides that want to wear suits or a dress that's just, out of the ordinary, this style is for you. So brides like that typically don't do like the traditional veils. They get some cute little hair accessories, and I found these. It's kind of bright. These on Amazon. It's a pack of 16 for like, what was it, $6? So as you can see, there are rubber bands that still need to be disguised, and I think these will be perfect to help disguise them. Look, already hidden. What, a suit? What, a pantsuit? Cut it out. Hey, look at Cherise, honey. She's ready for her wedding, for her edgy wedding, okay, with her pantsuit. That's ivory, but not white, honey, okay? She's classy with a bit of edge, honey. Get into it. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Brides and Braids, honey. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 brides done now. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell your toxic friends and your baby daddies and your baby mamas and everybody to come subscribe to my channel, honey. See y'all next week.
Some say she flicky, flicky. Let me kiss your lip, Dronita. I'm fitted through the cracks and curve. Inhale, exhale.
Let me open up your mind to this concept. Get this being, take one step. You listen to the word from a wordsmith. At the herb shit to the curve with my 22 spins. And my baby move in. Girl say that boy is acting up, but that's the way he is.